This is our feature couch. This is made from 100% locally sourced fiber, soil resistant, and of course, the 500 sit warranty.
Excuse me?
I'm sorry?
500 sit limited warranty. It's trademarked.
Like I can only sit on it 500 times?
That's up to you. But yes.
So if I... 500 sit warranty.
Minus 2 now.
Okay, and what happens if I go past 500?
Warranty's gone. Instead of sitting on the couch, you sit off the couch and you look at the couch. I like to get a little bit of exercise when I watch TV, so I'll just do some isometric exercises and I'll watch. I don't even have to be on the couch, right? I'm not sitting, so it doesn't use the warranty. It's still covered. You could do Monday, Wednesday, Friday sit.
No, if I buy a couch, it's to sit on it.
Some.